Welcome back to part 2 of our Jeep Jamboree special. In this episode, we've got more wheeling, the show and shine, and a flex ramp comp. So don't forget to like and subscribe and enjoy this week's episode. time for the show and shine. Time to get flexy.
Alright guys, so that's a wrap on Jeep Jamboree 2023. I hope you enjoyed the video. We enjoyed the weekend. I'd like to throw a huge shout out to Jai and the team at Jeep Freaks for hosting the event. Catching up with all the friends, seeing all the Jeeps. I definitely can't wait for the next Jeep event. How about you?
Yeah, definitely looking forward to it. It's so great to see all the camaraderie between the Jeep community. Like, it's amazing. I can't wait.
And I want to throw a huge shout out to Gemma and Chris from Being Travelling for having the coffee there, keeping everyone awake.
Absolutely.
But yeah, it was a huge turnout. It was a really good weekend. And yeah, we'll see you next week. Don't forget to like the video if you liked it, subscribe to the channel, and any comments, leave them below. And yeah, see you next week.
Bye.